My name is Charity LeBlanc. I started my beauty journey by just having fun. I really wanted to express myself, and so I started coloring my hair. It felt like a good way just to be myself and express my creativity, and my hair just became part of a way that I express myself. I'm self-taught. I taught myself how to do my hair, and I started small. I started with just the ends and playing around with some temporary colors, and then as I started to get more encouraged and felt more confident with my abilities, I started branching out, and I eventually did my whole hair, and then started experimenting eventually with other colors, doing blends and ombres, and just having a lot of fun with it. My journey with Sally began as soon as I started playing around with my hair. I would just run down to the store and grab what I needed. They have everything: bowls, brushes, color. It was just my one-stop shop for DIYing my hair. So if I needed anything, I would just stop by, and it was convenient, it was close, and there was a lot of people there that would just help me and guide me along the way. I'm so excited to be part of Sally Crew. I think it's super awesome to have a group of women that are all here to encourage other women and help them along in their own hair journeys, and just enable them to feel empowered to be their own professional and achieve their desired look and have that confidence to do it themselves. I'm a DIYer through and through. I just love being able to do my own hair. Not only is it just super convenient to be able to do it from home, especially as a mom. I have 2 little kids, so it's great being able to have that convenience just to color my hair whenever I need to get it done. And it's just also super affordable. There's a ton of great quality products, and you can get great results on your own time, on your own budget. I love coloring my hair and sharing it with others because I feel like it gives me confidence, and it makes me feel like myself when I can just have something fun and bright, and I want to encourage other women to have that same confidence and do it themselves and feel empowered to feel beautiful and express themselves the way they want. I love empowering women to just be creative, and I love when they feel the freedom to express themselves, and especially through their hair. I feel like hair is a huge part of how you feel about yourself and how you express who you are. And so I love to encourage women to just get creative and be colorful and be themselves.